Installing gravel in a proper drain pipe significantly improves water flow, allowing water to move away from the structure instead of building up behind it. This upgraded drainage system helps prevent moisture retention, reduce soil pressure, and protects the wall from premature failure. To fully restore the damaged wooden retaining wall, all rotted and weakened sections are carefully removed. The foundation is rebuilt and reinforced with compacted gravel. The new pressure-treated lumber is installed for long-term strength and durability. The wall is then precisely realigned, securely fastened, and sealed to protect exposed areas, ensuring added resistance against weather, ground movement, and future wear. The result is a retaining wall that is not only restored, but built to perform better and last longer than before.